After the birth of Ismail from Hajra, Sarah yearned for a child of her own. Ibrahim and Sarah continued to beg God earnestly for a son through their old age. Then one day Ibrahim gazed out over his land when he spotted 4 men approaching, dressed in white with their faces covered to protect them from the elements. They greeted him and he replied, "Peace, O strangers to our land." In those few moments, from their movements and their speech, Ibrahim alayhi salam realized that these were special guests and he wished to honor them. Ibrahim ordered his servants to roast an entire calf to feed his guests. He offered the roasted meat to them, but they politely declined. When he saw that they did not extend their hands to partake in it, he felt fearful of them. Suddenly the men pulled aside the coverings from their faces, and Ibrahim immediately recognized that they were angels. They said, "Do not be fearful. We have come to give you the glad tidings of a boy endowed with knowledge who is to be born of you." Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Holy Qur'an makes mention of this announcement to Ibrahim when he says, وَبَشَّرْنَاهُ بِإِسْحَاقَ نَبِيًّا مِنَ الصَّالِحِينَ. We gave him the glad tidings of a son who shall be called Ishaq, a prophet from among the righteous. Upon hearing this, his wife Sarah said, "Am I to bear a child when I am old, and my husband here is also old? This is something astonishing." The angels responded, saying, قالوا أتعجبين من أمر الله رحمة الله وبركاته عليكم أهل البيت. The angels said to her, "Are you surprised by an act of God? God's mercy and His blessings have been upon you, O household of Ibrahim." My dear brothers and sisters, narrations tell us that when Ishaq was a young man, his father Ibrahim alayhi salam told him the story of his brother's sacrifice and of his high station before God. Ishaq wished that he could have been the one, and that he could have also attained a similarly high station to his brother Ismail. Because of his sincere and righteous intention, God promised to reward him like his brother. One practical lesson that we learn from Ishaq is his attitude towards his brother. Ishaq admired the spiritual rank of his brother, but was never envious or jealous of him. One who is jealous wishes to have what another has instead of that person, while the one who admires wishes to attain a blessing without desiring that that person be deprived of it. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us similar to Ishaq, whereby we admire the righteous without gazing at them with envious eyes. وصلى الله على محمد وآله الطاهرين.